Hello friends. So today I'm sharing with you a couple of unboxings. The first one, I know what it is. It is some black lava rock that I ordered. The second one is a gift, so it's a surprise. I don't know what's in it. So we'll start with the gravel, the lava rock. I've had lava rock. I ordered last week. I ordered the 1/4-inch red. And I got a little pumice mixed in with this right now, but I ordered 1/4-inch, and what I got in is like 3/8. Some of these are 1/2 inch. Some of these are 1 inch. Too big to use as dressing. So I didn't return it. Save it. I'll use it for other stuff. But what I really wanted was the top dressing, the 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch gravel. Give you a little closer look. I think this would look good over some, use as top dressing on my cactus plants and succulents. So that's that. I got in I think it's a 6-pound box. So I'm happy with that. It's the right size. And the next one is a plant. I got this in from Planet Desert. I received I ordered 7 plants from them about 2 weeks ago, and when I got them, I did an unboxing on that, and I contacted them to thank them because I was really pleased. And Sarah, which is, I believe, the owner of Planet Desert, was kind enough to send me a free plant. I wasn't expecting it. I wasn't expecting from her, a gift, but she was nice enough to contact me and offer me a free plant. So let's take a look and see what Sarah sent me. Oh, nice. Fossilo cactus. Zacticinus. Yeah, I always butcher these names. But lovely plant. It looks like one of the brain cactus variety, the one with the swirls. It's got these rich, dark, almost black spikes. Very nice plant. Let's unwrap it and take a look. I love the way these guys wrap their plants. They top dress it and then they wrap it in plastic and use the rubber bands to hold everything in place. Then they wrap that in paper, and then they put additional paper in the box around the plant. So it literally is like really well protected. Look at that. Not a spike out of place. Echinophallaso cactus, Zacatecnicis. I know I'm butchering the name, but I'll just place it up here so you guys can see. Very nice plant. I'm very pleased. See the rich, short, dark spikes on this? And then the bodies are like a ripple design. I ordered, on my last shipment, I ordered one that had, it was a similar body, but the one I ordered had bright red spikes. But this would be a nice addition to my growing collection. So there you have it. Thanks, Sarah. And then another thing I wanted to share with you is the mixture that I use when I mix my soil for these plants. So what I do is I have the regular soil mix with the perlite, and then I add more perlite. I add pumice, 1/4 to 3/8 inch rocks. Of course, some of them are bigger, but that's okay. That helps with drainage. Then I add lava rocks. I add sand. I add pebbles. And I recently started adding eggshells. You see this in the middle right here? These are eggshells that I dry out and I crush real fine and mix it in. I also put fertilizer in here during growing season, but I heard that the eggshells are really nutritious for plants. They thrive on that. And then I just mix this whole thing together. The ratio I use is probably about 20% cactus soil, and the rest of it is evenly measured. Pumice, lava rocks, sand, pebbles. And no stickiness at all. This just falls apart. This is all my plants. The cactuses especially thrive, especially in the summertime, because I water more frequently when it's hot out, and I have a small greenhouse outside that I put all my cactuses in, and this works out really good because I'm Some of them I'm watering once or twice a week. Others, like my gymnocalyciums, I water only once a week, even though it's really hot, and the sun is on them like a good portion of the day. If I were to guess, I would say they get between 6 and 10 hours of direct sunlight. My astrophytums, I don't give as much. I water them every other week. My Cactus and my mellow cactus and my mammillarias, sorry. It's so hot in here, my tongue is getting I'm getting tongue-tied. But I give those a week to 10 days, depending on, you know, what they look like and how hot it's been. For instance, today is 94 degrees here in the Midwest, and it's really humid. It's actually hard to breathe. And I checked the heat index, and it feels like 108. I feel like I'm in the desert, except it's not dry air, it's humid air, really thick. So anyhow, this is my mixture that I use, and this is the plant that Sarah sent, and I'm very happy. I'm gonna order more from them. They take real good care of their plants. Every plant that I've gotten so far has been healthy, good roots, well watered, well cared for, and I'm like really happy with them. My local nurseries are not as the plants I get locally are not as healthy as these. So thanks again, Sarah, and thank you. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and definitely share this with friends. Bye for now.